Hello, my respected viewers. Here is some English grammar with explanation, which we will discuss. Let us start. Number 1. Select the correct alternative from the list given below. A. Had been broken. B. Having been broken. C. Having broken. D. Has broken. To fill up the above sentence, the correct answer is the ship having broken, Crusoe arrived on the island. Explanation. The ship having broken, Crusoe arrived on the island means the ship was broken and therefore Crusoe arrived on the island, which is a complete sentence. Hence, option C is correct. Number 2. The green-eyed monster means A. Hatred, B. Love, C. Live, D. Jealous. The correct answer is D. Jealous. Explanation. Here, jealousy has been personified into green-eyed monster. Number 3. He said to me, "Did you see the cricket match on TV last night?" Which of the following is the correct indirect speech of the above sentence? A. He asked me whether I saw the cricket match on television the earlier night. B. He asked me whether I had seen the cricket match on television the earlier night. C. He asked me, did I see the cricket match on television the last night? D. He asked me whether I had seen the cricket match on television the last night. The correct answer is B. He asked me whether I had seen the cricket match on television the earlier night. Number 4. Synonym of fostering is A. Safeguarding, B. Neglecting, C. Ignoring, D. Nurturing. The correct answer is D. Nurturing. Explanation. Here, safeguarding means a measure taken to protect someone or something or to prevent something undesirable. Neglecting means fail to care for properly. Ignorance means refuse to take notice of or acknowledge disregard intentionally. Nurturing is care for and protect someone or something while they are growing. Fostering means encourage the development of something, especially something desirable. Number 5. A person who renounces the world and practices self-discipline in order to attain salvation. Turn it into a single word. A. Ascetic, B. Ascetic, C. Devotee, D. Antiquarian. Answer B. Ascetic. Explanation. Here, ascetic means a person inclined to question or doubt accepted opinions. Ascetic means characterized by severe self-discipline and abstention from all forms of indulgence, typically for religious reasons. Devotee means a person who is very interested in and enthusiastic about someone or something. Antiquarian is relating to or dealing in antiques or rare books. Number 6. What will be the appropriate antonym of impediments? A. Handicaps, B. Obstacles. C. Obstructions. D. Hindrances. E. Promoters. The correct answer is E. Promoters. Explanation. Handicaps means a condition that markedly restricts a person's ability to function physically, mentally, or socially. Obstacles means a thing that blocks one's way or prevents or hinders progress. Obstructions means a thing that impedes or prevents passage or progress, and obstacle or blockage. Hindrances means a thing that provides resistance, delay, or obstruction to something or someone. Promoters means a person or company that finances or organizes a sporting event, concert, or theatrical production. Impediments means a hindrance or obstruction in doing something. Only promoters possess the opposite meaning of impediments. Number 7. What does to catch a tartar mean? A. To trap wanted criminal with great difficulty. B. To catch a dangerous person. C. To meet with disaster. D. To deal with a person who is more than one's match. E. None of these. Answer option B. To catch a dangerous person. Explanation. To catch a tartar means to deal with someone or something that proves unexpectedly troublesome or powerful. That's why the answer is B. Number 8. There are A. Independent views, B. Divergent views, C. Modest views, D. Adverse views on the issue of giving bonus to employees. Select the appropriate word from the list given below. The correct answer is B. Divergent views. Explanation. Divergent means tending to be different or develop in different directions. So the right answer is B. That's all for today. Hope you must subscribe the channel and click on the all notification bell so that you can get all the notifications for the next time. Thank you.